Hey, Ben with DSI here, looking to present the newest VTI LED poster panel. We want to talk about a few features here. So this is a mobile cart, so we could easily transfer it from anywhere in your organization, whatever's pertinent. We can also add up to 5 more or 6 more, and we can take off the little panels and connect them together to create a seamless video wall. Great for huge production, maybe in an auditorium, maybe at a big, large event that your guys are having. And then just as easily take them back off and then put them at different locations within your organization. So, fantastic mobile marketing feature. All right, so the QR code, awesome for, anything, for registration for the event, tickets. If you have, I'm hiring on here, great, a great segue into an application there. The LED pixels are easily fixable. They come in little squares, we can take them off, send it back to VTI, they'll replace those pixels and then we'll just put them right back in. It will come with a 3-year warranty, so your asset will be protected for 3 years and give you a long-lasting marketing push. It'll also come with 2 marketing templates. You'll work with our marketing director, Vince, who will be able to customize them. We can show you how easy it is to switch graphics.
Hello, my name is Vincent King with DSI Marketing. I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload your own custom graphics to your LED poster panel. You will simply open up Biplex Express, upload the graphic you would like to display, position it, and publish to the poster device of your choosing. Notice how fast this is. This is not sped up. And just like that, your new graphic is displayed. The LED poster panel is also compatible with mobile devices, and with its internal hotspot, you can control graphics from wherever you take it.
We're super excited. We're one of the few in the industry right now that's providing these. These are top of the line, and we hope to provide you this, and you could be top of class in your organization just the same.